Does anyone remember MacGyver anymore? I do, and that's dating me. It's 112. Why is anybody standing in the desert shooting a YouTube video at 112 when you don't have protection? And you need protection. Guys, I'm joining you from one of the hottest places in America, and that's the South Sonoran Desert. Right now, it is 112 degrees. It's brutal. It's beautiful, but it's brutal. And if it's brutal out here in this intense sun, it's even more brutal inside of your car. And I've got something to show you guys today. I have partnered with EVBASE. Now, if you're not familiar with EVBASE, they are an EV supply accessories manufacturer. They have all kinds of accessories for Rivians, Teslas, an amazing inventory of supplies. Now, I only want to bring supplies to you guys that I really believe in and would use myself and actually hold value. So today, I've partnered with EVBASE to show you guys something that I've installed in my Rivian that I think everybody needs, because when you are out here in this kind of an environment, you need some protection. So EVBASE sent me a new set of sunshades. And we're going to open them up, we're going to put them in, and I'm going to show you guys why this is the ultimate accessory that you need inside of your Rivian. Why am I partnering with EVBASE? Well, in all of my ownership of this Rivian R1S, my Audi e-tron, 4 Teslas, I have always loved shopping for and buying accessories for my vehicles that make the ownership experience better. And EVBASE to me is one of the best companies out there that has the highest engineered products that I really feel are going to make your ownership experience better. Now, I'm only ever going to review products or make recommendations on things that I would actually use. There's a lot of accessories out there I won't use. I don't need them. They don't work for me. I don't like them, whatever it may be. So I'm not here to pitch a catalog to you. I'm here to show you what works well for me. But if you're looking for any accessories, there may be things you want that I don't need. So check out EVBASE.com, look at their Rivian and Tesla inventories. They have an amazing selection of products, and I'm really looking forward to showing you guys all the products that I'm using right now every day. All right, let's open this up and not cut ourselves in the process. Packaging's nice, easy, simple, straightforward. Nice and slim, very straightforward. Let's see what EVBASE has sent us. And there you go. Very nice, simple container, easy. Something that fits under seats, in your under trunk, very slim and compact. So opening the simple zip liner here, you can pull out the first sunshade. And when you look, very compact, very nice. It's got a black texture that's kind of matching your headliner. It's got this silver texture that's obviously meant to reflect the sunlight back out of your sunroof. And it unfolds to be much larger. Now, it's a little windy, so this might be a little comical, but there it is, right? Pretty easy, but it's also very easy to fold back up and store. See how easy that was? Bam. Easy to store, easy to deploy. Even says R1S right here on it, but you open this bad guy up, and there you go. The wind is making it look kind of crazy right now, but it'll be much better when it's in the vehicle. But you know, you could even use it for a shade out here if you wanted to. Actually, that feels pretty good. You could build an emergency shade if you were stuck out here. It has multi-purposes. I could really do something. We could MacGyver this. Fold it back up. Does anyone remember MacGyver anymore? I do, and that's dating me. But that is the large window shade. So let's take a quick look at the small window shade. All right, so this is the small window shade. This is way easier to manipulate. It folds up, very easy, very convenient, fits right in the same pouch. Bam. A nice satisfying unfold. But yeah, same construction, this smooth matte black that's really matching your headliner. You also have the shiny side, which is all over the camera, but that reflects all that sunlight and heat way out. And look at this, guys. Can I shade? It actually feels really good on the top of my head because it's 112. Guys, it's 112. Why is anybody standing in the desert shooting a YouTube video at 112? But anyway, this is what we're doing. But I'm here for you guys. This is the consumer advice you guys need. Why this is so important. I'm going to show you how truly uncomfortably hot, even with air conditioning, the inside of these big EVs get when you don't have protection. And you need protection. All right, guys, so this is what I'm talking about. Look how big and airy this open glass panel is. It's amazing. It brings so much natural light into the R1S, especially with this dark mountain interior. There's just one problem. The sun is baking you. So if I take off the hat, now I'm getting baked like crazy driving down the road. And this air conditioning system has to crank itself. If you've been around the air conditioning system of an R1S or R1T, Gen 1 or Gen 2, they all make noise. The heat pump is loud. And my Generation 2 2025 Rivian R1S has a very noisy heat pump. And so it is cranking all the time. You have a lot of audio awareness when the air conditioning is working hard. And that really makes the air condition working hard. That's lowering your range, and that's just not good. So I'm going to show you the solution. Don't just take my word for it that this product works. I've got a very cool little device to show you. This is a forward-looking infrared, otherwise known as FLIR. This is going to show you guys just how hot it is in different areas of this car. And I'm going to show you and give you the real world geek data of why this sunshade works so well. Let's take a quick look. So here you can see me aiming the FLIR right at the top of this headrest. You can see me kind of trying to get it right in the top. 96, 97. That's with air conditioning on at the very top of that headrest right there, right? That's in the sun. And aiming the FLIR right at it. We're hitting 100 degrees on the back of that headrest right there, right? That's hot. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, I'm trying to get the glare out. There you go. That's just really, really hot. 100, 99. I'm trying to make it easy for us. Same thing on the back of my headrest. Hopefully you can see this all right. 102, 103. That's in direct sunlight in an air-conditioned car. All right, now I'm not joking with you. It is 111 degrees outside right now. We're doing it for science, people. That's why we're here to help you. You can see me aiming right at it. 97. That's pretty crazy. That's hot. The glass ceiling, 120. It's peaking up to 127. If you kind of go towards the edges, 125. You've seen now that the top of the headrests, all the different things the sun hits, I could probably do the top of my head too. It's hot. There's a lot of sun coming in. It is 98, 99, 100 degrees, everything touching that. And so that's why this is going to be so important. So let's install the sunshade. It's easy once you get the hang of it. So bear with me as I'm finagling this in the car, but we got to get it above the seats, kind of pull it the long way out. Now you see I kind of just got it above everything, and that's kind of the goal. You just get it above everything. And then you work your way around and tuck it in. You can start at the back here, kind of just get this tucked in. We're getting it. Yeah, see? It's very flexible. Just kind of get it tucked in. It will tuck in under the headliner. There you go. You can kind of pull the headliner down a little bit, like that. Kind of get under it, finagle it. And there it is. You got to be kind of comfortable, kind of pulling a little bit on here. Real gentle. You're not going to hurt anything in the long run. It feels cooler already. I'm not going to lie. Now we're going to do the second sunshade. Much easier. Just undo it. There it is. Get it started somewhere. And the same way, you just start tucking it in. Kind of lift a little bit. Do the same thing right here. Finagle it. There you go. Finagle it in there. Pop the clip. I think we're fine. And there you go. Now this sunshade's fully installed. Now we're going to let it sit for just a few minutes, maybe go drive around and show you guys exactly what a difference this makes. And now here, going into the main passenger compartment, you can see the same. Nice construction, fits real nice and easy. Any kind of a little, wrinkles and stuff will just kind of smooth out over time, but it fits very nicely under the headliner. And you can see that rear sunshade from here as well. Yeah, I think that just fits so nice. That really works. Great fit. All right, so we've had the sunshade up for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna use the FLIR camera again to show you guys what the temps look like inside. First thing, we're gonna take a look at this headrest again. If you remember, it was right around 98, 99. Now let's aim right at the top. And I'm gonna try and get out of the glare. But hopefully you can see right there, 84, 83. So we're looking at a 17, 18 degree drop just that easily. Let's go to the center of that child seat. And now you're at 87. So you're about 13 degrees lower. And the back seat has less air conditioning on it right now since I'm sitting up in front, but that is a dramatic difference. We can aim the FLIR camera up at the roof, and hopefully you can read those numbers. 90. CEN is the center aim. We're getting 90, 89, 88. It is 112 degrees outside. 112 degrees, 110 degree battery, direct sunlight, and you're getting 89 degrees, 90 up on the top. That's huge. Well, there you have it, you guys. I mean, definitive proof, not just my anecdotal feeling. We're talking about real definitive data using a FLIR camera. They work. The sunshades just work. So if you need to really get a little bit more range, be way more comfortable in your vehicle, have your back passengers, your babies, kids, pets, everything be a little bit more comfortable, you need this sunshade from EVBASE. This is the EVBASE Rivian R1S and R1T interior overhead sunshade. All right, guys, well, what's the final verdict? The final verdict is I'm keeping these in the Rivian forever. You saw it using the FLIR camera. They just work, right? And I want to use less battery. I want to have more range. I want to be more comfortable. You can't go wrong buying these. Check out the link in the description of this video. You can go right into the EVBASE website and see this product for yourself. Order it for your R1S, order it for your R1T. However, you put in the code ROBOTS20, that's ROBOTS20, you're going to get 20% off. That's right. Viewers of my channel are getting a 20% off the retail price deal for this product. You cannot go wrong. It's so much cheaper than tint or any other option. Go get them today. Trust me, guys, you're not going to be disappointed. Thank you for watching another consumer advice Rivians to Robots video. I'll see you guys on the next one, out at a charger or on a road trip in Arizona. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.